All right, we're going into restoration. What it is beyond painting, normal painting. We're using a grinder first. With this kind of head. This to dig down and get the tough stuff up. And then for the fine tuning, sanding, starting off with 60 grit sandpaper. This is what the grinding would do. Showing down the ridge lines. This is just the kitchen. And then after we sand down the high spots, like areas like this is what it looks like after grinding. The next step is we have to stand. We're going to do each room. Go to each room individually.